Hi, Planner Bestie. Welcome to my page. This is an unboxing of cloth and paper first intention box for the month of April. So this is the quilted nylon dust bag. It's extremely soft. I love the way it feels and everything. So let's see what's inside the first intention box. So I haven't really been watching social media and everything, but I did know about the quilted dust bag and everything. You couldn't miss that. And I knew about the page clips and everything. So let's check to see what else we got in this box. So one thing we do know, we always get in cloth and paper sub box. You get the card that has the detail or pictures of everything that's in the box, along with your member access card, your pop-up calendar, along with a reflection prompt card. So now let's open the page clip set. It's a set of 3 in the color of olive. It goes along well. It's the color of the bag, and it's the color of a few items that I received from cloth and paper in previous boxes. So this is the dashboard for this month, and this dashboard is double-sided this month, and it's called the Rule of Thirds. And this is the CP Petite size. So this is the sticky note set that's in the box. It seems like every box we do receive sticky notes, so here's another set like the colors. Okay, this is the priority sticker set. It's an olive green like the clips and the nylon dust bag. So this is a time block pad. It reminds me of the time block notebook that we received a few sub-boxes ago. The paper is soft and smooth and everything. I probably will not be utilizing this because I did not utilize the notebook as well. So I might be gifting this away and see if anyone else can utilize it. So this is the acrylic calendar that we received. I was looking in the box to see if we had anything that we can mount it on. So I have to figure out what I can do with this. So now let's see what high quality pens that we receive in the first intention box. So we received 2 markers, 2 blue markers for this box. Blue is my favorite color, so I do like blue, but I was shocked that we received blue markers with the aesthetic of this particular box. So that is all the contents for the first intention box. So now I'm going to see if my planner fits inside the nylon bag, and also I'll be testing out the marker. So let's see if I can get my LV desk agenda into the quilted nylon dust bag, and it fits perfectly inside. So now I'm going to test out the markers on the sticky notes that we received in this box, and also on the transparent sticky notes that I have. So this blue pen reminds me of the white one that I already have, so I will not be testing that pen today. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe.